Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making oven baked chicken thighs using an Asian inspired marinade. To see how I make these moist and tender chicken thighs which are filled with Asian flavors, keep on watching. So here I have fresh chicken thighs. I'm using about 10 to 12 pieces. Some brown sugar, pure sesame oil, white wine vinegar, soy sauce, honey, garlic and fresh ginger. The exact measurement of the ingredients I will be using will be inside the video and also down below in the description bar. Once all the flavors are infused, remove the saucepan from the heat and set aside and allow to cool completely while you go ahead and prepare your chicken. I'm going to go ahead and wash my chicken using 1 cupful of white vinegar and trim the excess fat while leaving the skin intact. It is important that you leave the skin on the chicken for this recipe. Once your chicken is washed and dried, season with 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. Alternatively, you could use 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder. Transfer your chicken to a baking sheet where we're now going to add our cooled marinade. I'm going to go ahead and pour the marinade all over the chicken and give it a really good mix. If you've got time, you can also put the chicken in a resealable bag, pour the marinade over it and refrigerate for up to 2 hours or overnight. Once your chicken is evenly coated, rotate the chicken to be skin side down and place in your preheated oven at 425 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven and rotate once more and continue to bake until the skin begins to brown. Another 15 to 20 minutes. Once your chicken is done, remove from the oven and transfer to a serving dish. Next time straining the leftover sauce into a small saucepan on low heat, add a half a teaspoon of cornstarch to approximately a quarter cup of cold water. Add this to your sauce to thicken. You could add more cornstarch if you prefer a thicker consistency. Once your sauce has reached your desired consistency, pour all over chicken and garnish with sesame seed. And there you have it, guys. Asian inspired chicken thighs. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.